Hey guys, I lost the intro clip for this video, so I'll just throw in a random clip here. Then I'll start with a quick montage of stripping the motor and overview of the heads and everything. And then finish off with the rest of the Supercharger porting. So thanks for watching and enjoy. Someone wanted to come say hello. Well, I've been doing a little bit of work off camera. The motor certainly looks a little bit different to when you saw her last. There's a hint up the back, the headers are off. And so are the heads. Also most of the front is stripped down too. If you can see in the bores, we're still nice and shiny, nice crosshatch there from when it's been honed. Not much cylinder wear at all. And I've only just pulled this side off. Looking good. Everything's looking fairly healthy in here, which is good. So I'm thinking what I might do is skip rebuilding the bottom end, just give it a good freshen up with all fresh gaskets and fresh bits, and just rebuild the top end, and then do the lifters as well. Just because I'll be doing the rockers and the valve springs. Here are the heads, obviously, but looking nice and healthy. Very good for their age. And there's not too much casting flash around here. There's usually quite a bit, but it looks like I got one of the ones that were moulded a bit better. So they're cast heads, so they need a bit of a clean up and the paint refreshed after all this time, but otherwise they're in good shape. So first will be to gasket match the inlets and outlets, or intake and exhaust rather. You can see there's a bit of freeing up to do. And we'll get new valves and get all the good headwork done that you'd expect on a build like this. So those of you with a keen eye will notice that in all of these piles of parts, there's no intake manifold. Well, that's a surprise for another week or two. You'll have to wait to see what's coming with that. Getting closer on the supercharger. So I've finished the bulk of the porting here. So you're taking these out. All nice and smooth too, taking off these part numbers that stuck up into the airflow. Still need to do some final touch-ups and polishing on that, on the outlet side. And then I've started, if I can do this one-handed, I've started working the U-bend and gasket matching that. See, I've taken out the casting ridge in here and lowered this down, thinned it out just a little bit. I can't go too deep because you can see the bend there, it's not actually that thin, that thick rather. Edged out in here, and then gotta get in there and start working around that bowl. Not quite sure if I'll be taking out these humps. Focus, these humps on either side. Show you the front of the charger. See back there, they sit just above the bearings. So what you can do for more airflow is come along and flatten that out, and you still have enough clearance for the bearings there. I don't think I'm going to go to all that effort, but I might just, give it a clean up, just bevel that edge nicely. Hopefully that doesn't affect the performance too much. And I've also done a bit of work smoothing out here where the bolt holes were. So they used to come out to about here. One moment. So that used to thread into about there. So you can see all it was really used for was a bolt. That's why it's cut out. No need for that to block airflow, just a shorter bolt will work fine. As you can see, there's still plenty of thread in there for it to bite in, and then it's got all these other fasteners around it too. Not that I'm concerned, I'm not the first person to put one of these chargers, just following the footsteps of the people before me. Alright, well that's all that's really going on for now, so hopefully I can find something else for you. Been doing some work on the inlet. It's looking nice and shiny now. All nice and smooth. There's a little bit of pitting here that I want to get rid of. And if you can see just in here, needs a little bit more smoothing. And then that should be pretty much it for the charger. I've gone around and done a bit of cleanup in here. Just cleaning up those triangles a little bit. So I'm going to get on to sanding the rest of the inlet back there. And maybe even get to paint this today. That'd be nice. Alright, done some more. Got the U-bend pretty much done inside. Now just masked it off, ready for paint. And the Supercharger is looking real nice and shiny in there now. So I'm going to call that done for the charger. Maybe just a little bit of clean up here and there. And get ready to paint that. And yeah, this will just need some clean up on the throttle body side. And sorry about my annoying fucking dog, but got the U-bend painted up. Needs a bit another coat, but gives you the idea. And she'll sit on there like that and paint the rest of the blower black as well. All matching. Gonna look good. Thanks for watching if you watched. Sorry, this one's been a bit of a jumble of stuff because it was filmed over a couple of weeks because I couldn't really be bothered to get in here and do much, and I've been busy with other things. But hopefully now we're going to get moving on her a bit more. I've got some goodies coming in a week or two for you. Oi! What are you doing? I don't think you should be in here. I've already interrupted the video more than once. What are you doing? I don't want to pat you, my hands are gross. Go on now, get. Go on now, get.